How to ace your Canadian road test, G2 and G fully explained. Welcome to our ultimate guide to help you crush your Canadian road test for both G2 and G licenses. Whether you're a brand new driver or upgrading to your full G license, this video has everything you need to prepare, practice, and pass with flying colors. By the end, you'll feel more confident, more informed, and fully ready to embrace your next drive. Let's dive right in. Before jumping into tips and tricks, let's quickly break down the Canadian licensing system. If you're aiming for your G2, a step up from the G1 learner's permit, you'll build foundational driving skills. This includes tasks like smooth turns and parallel parking in residential areas. If you're going for your full G license, the stakes are higher. You'll need to demonstrate advanced techniques like navigating highways, merging at high speeds, and maintaining perfect traffic flow. By understanding what's required at each level, you'll prepare effectively for your road test. Preparation is key to success, and it starts well before you book your test appointment. Let's look at the building blocks for a winning road test. Study the rules of the road. Brush up on the Ontario Highway Traffic Act and driving guidelines. This helps you recall essential details like speed limits, right-of-way rules, and traffic signage. Take a driving course. Enroll in a certified driver's education program. These courses guide you through real-world scenarios, teach safety fundamentals, and often come with bonus perks like reduced insurance rates. Practice, practice, practice. Log as many hours as possible behind the wheel with a licensed driver. Practice in various settings, residential streets, busy intersections, and highways, so you're equipped to handle different driving situations. Prepare your documents. Double-check that you have everything you need for test day. Your license, proper vehicle registration, and test fees. Let's take the mystery out of test day. Here's what you can expect when you arrive at the testing center. Registration. Arrive early to sign in and confirm your appointment. Punctuality is a must. Latecomers risk cancellation. Vehicle inspection. The examiner will check your car to ensure it's safe and roadworthy. Ensure your brakes, signals, and lights are all working properly. Your examiner. They're not looking to fail you. They're assessing whether you can be a safe and responsible driver. Stay calm. Yes, it's easier said than done, but take deep breaths, stay focused, and remember, you've prepared for this moment. The G2 road test requires mastering foundational driving skills. Here's what you'll be tested on and how to nail each element. Residential driving. You'll drive through neighborhood streets where speed limits are typically lower. Stay within the limit and scan for pedestrians, bikes, and parked cars. Smooth turns. Left and right turns need to be controlled and deliberate. Slow down appropriately and avoid cutting corners. Parallel parking. This is a big one. Start by lining up your car beside the one you're parking behind. Turn your wheels sharply. Reverse until your car is at a 45-degree angle. Then straighten up as your car slides into the spot. Use your mirrors and go slowly. 3-point turn. When turning around on a narrow street, remember, turn sharply, go forward, reverse carefully, and finish the maneuver by driving forward on the opposite side. Proper stops. Come to a complete stop at stop signs and red lights. No rolling stops allowed. Look both ways to ensure it's safe before continuing. Speed management. Stick to the posted speed limits and adapt to any changes. For example, school zones. Observation skills. Always check your mirrors frequently and scan upcoming intersections for hazards. Avoid these common G2 test mistakes, forgetting to signal, not making full stops, or failing to check blind spots before lane changes. Stay mindful, and you'll do great. Now let's tackle the G road test, which includes more advanced skills. Here's what you need to know. Highway driving. You'll need to demonstrate your ability to navigate highways safely. Accelerate confidently when joining the highway. Match the speed of traffic and merge smoothly into your lane. Lane changes. Signal your intentions clearly. Check your mirrors and perform a proper shoulder check to ensure your blind spot is clear. Observation and awareness. Examiners will look for strong situational awareness. Always maintain safe following distances, observe speed limits, and adapt to traffic flows. Defensive driving. Be ready to adjust for unexpected scenarios, like another driver cutting in or a sudden slowdown ahead. Consistency. Showing control over your vehicle and making predictable maneuvers go a long way toward impressing your examiner. Blind spot checks. Never skip this crucial step when merging or changing lanes. Avoid common G-test mistakes like tailgating, failing to do a shoulder check, or hesitating too much during merges. Confidence is key. Preparation doesn't just mean driving, it also means simulating the experience of the actual test. Here's how to maximize your practice. Mock driving tests. Practice with a trusted instructor or licensed driver who will act as your examiner. Have them grade you on common test tasks. Collect feedback. Ask for constructive criticism from an experienced driver and use this to refine weaker areas. Handle examiner directives. On test day, follow instructions calmly, even if they deviate slightly from what you're used to. The test is designed to assess how well you respond to real-world scenarios. Every driver gets nervous during their road test, but being aware of common mistakes can help you dodge them. Here are some pitfalls to steer clear of. Rolling through stop signs instead of making a complete stop. Forgetting to signal when turning or changing lanes. Becoming too nervous and making erratic decisions. Failing to check mirrors or blind spots consistently. Driving too slowly or hesitating excessively at intersections. Not adapting to weather or environmental conditions, for example, rain glare. If you make a mistake, don't panic. Stay calm, recover smoothly, and focus on the remainder of your test. One mistake won't necessarily spell failure. Let's talk about mental prep. It can make all the difference on test day. Use these tips to stay calm. Deep breathing. Before the test begins, take a few deep breaths to ease your nerves. A calm mind means greater focus. Positive visualization. Picture yourself nailing every task and driving confidently. Positive thinking works wonders. Trust your practice. Remember, the effort you've put in will pay off. You've built the skills needed to pass. Remember, your road test is just a stepping stone in your driving journey. It's not the only measure of your abilities, and even if you don't succeed on the first try, it's a learning experience. Trust your preparation, stay confident, and embrace the process. So, are you ready to hit the road and ace your Canadian road test for G2 or G? Let us know in the comments what part of the road test you're most nervous about, and we'll help ease your concerns. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips, and share this video with anyone gearing up for their own test. Good luck! You've got this!